Guess what? Guess what? My sis is coming to visit me today. I'm super excited to meet her in person. Everyone, welcome to my channel, Denise the Sloth Sewist. It's your girl, Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Fam, this is your first time clicking on my video. You have not already done so. I hope that you consider sticking around by subscribing. If you like any and everything about sewing, I'm talking about hauls, thrift hauls, pattern hauls, behind the scenes, whatever I got working on in my sewing room, and you're interested in sewing content and the latest pattern and fabric sales announcement, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my sewing content along with sales announcements. Today's video, I get a chance to meet my sis today. Y'all gonna see who she is. I'm gonna do some filming when she gets here. In addition, I am sharing with you all, she brought me a gift, so y'all gotta see what the gift is. Stay tuned for that as well. And I got her a gift as well. In addition, at the end of the video, I went thrifting today. It has been a busy Monday, but I went thrifting. Tyson found some items for himself, for me, and I found something for my hubby. So y'all gotta stay tuned to see what that is. I only spent, rounding it up, $23 for the items. And also I found a $2.49 pattern at a thrift store. So I hope y'all stay tuned for that. And let's go ahead and get into this video. Hey y'all, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? My sis is coming to visit me today. I'm super excited to meet her in person. We have been friends for a while, and she is stopping by on her way home to meet you, girl. Yes. Super excited. I hope to get an opportunity to get some filming so you all will see when she comes up. My sis, so lovely with grace, here on YouTube, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm out here this morning letting Roscoe out to handle his business, and I'm just getting my walk home. Roscoe trying to chase a deer off the property, so it's just crazy on how busy he's trying to be. Yes, y'all, he out here. I'm having to say, boy, leave the darn deer alone. Poor deer. They used to live on this property. I still allow them to, not allow them, but they are more than welcome to come through. Last year we had a buffet where they would come through and eat up all our vegetables because, you know, we didn't have a fence. So this year we decided not to have a garden literally out in the yard, but we have started with some peppers, everybody, and everything like that. So I thought that was pretty cool. Just giving y'all like a little life update, a little vlog for you all, because I know it's been a minute since y'all seen me. I had to take last week off. Been a rough one. Fibromyalgia, she a miss. She have your girl feeling good some days, and then some days I'm not at all. It all depends on that day. Y'all hear my rooster? I don't know how well y'all can hear it, but update on those incubator babies. We have 4 hens and 4 roosters, y'all. We ended up with 4 roosters and 4 hens. Now be aware, we already had, I call him Roo, short for foghorn, leghorn. We already had him. Now we got 2 more. Now we have 4 more roosters. So it has been very busy here on the homestead. We're getting eggs daily from our cutie pies. So my hens, altogether we have 14 hens, 5 roosters. 1 original rooster, which is Roo, who's the daddy of the other 4 roosters. Hold on, walked in this spider web, got me. 4 roosters. And so that's pretty much it, y'all. I'm out here with Roscoe, trying to enjoy this beautiful walk and weather as we moving. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he's somewhere back there. And probably gonna go ahead and take care of my chores, or I may wait because my sis is on the way and meet her and for the first time. So can you tell I'm excited? I'm like, yes. All right, y'all, I'll pick y'all up later on. I'll let Roscoe out. Do y'all see him? He is on a mission, y'all. I mean, he just passed by his mama, just getting it. I'm coming. Let y'all see him up close. He a mess. A hot mess. I'm walking, so hopefully y'all ain't receiving too much shaking. Yeah. All right, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear the traffic from the road. Old semi passing by. I don't know where the heck Roscoe going, y'all. He missing my entry. I'm about to go relax for a minute, grab me a bite to eat. So he better come on. It's my stomach. All right, y'all. Once again, I pick y'all back up shortly. We finally got a chance to meet in person.
Yes, I know. Oh my God. Oh my
She
God.
made it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hold on, let's check out my sister's outfit. Cute.
Oh,
Cute.
this, yeah, you
Hold
know
on, hold on.
This
Gorgeous.
is, I can't remember. Oh yeah, it's the same pattern. I think it was
Okay.
Simplicity.
It's cute.
And I got
You
some
look
bag
cute.
of beautiful patterns
I
for
know,
you.
right? And look, I got some goodies for her as
Oh my
well.
God.
Welcome.
It was a long trip.
How was the trip?
Great,
Okay.
great.
Good.
Yeah,
Well, I
it was
want
easy to find. South Carolina is amazing.
I know, right?
I love the gardens, the peaches,
Yes,
everything. It's
I
beautiful.
know it's so beautiful here. Welcome. Well, y'all, I'm gonna spend some time with my sis right quick before she get back on the road. We want to stop and say hello.
That's okay.
Yes.
Yeah, you're beautiful.
My girl Grace just left, y'all. It was so good seeing her. I was super excited they took time out to stop by and see your girl. Let me tell y'all about what she brought me. My sis brought me some stuff. Let me show y'all right quick. Turn my light on. Y'all forgive my seat. Y'all know a girl keep a heating pad. All right, let me show y'all right quick. All right, everybody, I'm back. Hold on, let me get some where y'all can see. All right, up first, she brought me some patterns. Yeah, patterns. You know what sewers love? Some good old patterns and sewing supplies and sewing tools. Up first is Know Me by Brittany J. Jones. Know Me 2040. Cute. First of all the patterns are absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to make these. These are so cute. It's rated X. It's Butterick 6456. Cute tops. Look at this, y'all. I'm interested in making view B. Probably all of them because look at that one. View D is cute too. Some more tops in my wardrobe. I need some more tops. So Butterick 6456. It said 12 pieces and it's easy to sew. Here's the line art. Up next is Know Me 2008. Be my first one, y'all. I've been wanting a jumpsuit to give it a try. I call it a jumpsuit. What do they call it? They do call it a jumpsuit. All right, Mrs. and Women's Jumpsuit. Know Me 2008. So cute. It's simplicity. Easy to sew. 1782. Some dresses, y'all. Some skirts. I love it. I will be making some of these short views and probably this long view with that thigh out a little bit of leg showing, just a little bit of leg. Next is Simplicity 1805. Cute, beautiful tops. I like this one. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. I like them all, but I know I'm interested in making this view. Now I just got to find some fabric. I need to go to my local thrift store and see what they got. Up next is New Look 8507. Cute. I have made view D when I very first started, so I gotta get back into making some more stuff. Y'all, I try to build my skills. I've been sewing for only 5 years, and your girl feel like I'm just starting to actually get the groove of sewing. So I feel like this 5th year of sewing is that time where I'm going to continue to develop my skills and get more sewing content out to you. Up next is Simplicity 1463. Beautiful tops. Oh, hold on. Is that lace? Oh, yes. Gotta try. Last but not least, it's McCall 6794, rated as easy. I love it. I love what the model is wearing. I like all views. Ooh, that's a cute one too. And I like view B. Sleeveless. So y'all gotta stay tuned to see what I end up making. Not when and what I end up making from these beautiful patterns that my sis, So Lovely with Grace, here on YouTube, brought to your girl on her visit here to South Carolina. Y'all got a chance to see her. My son sister came through, her and her husband. Thank y'all both so much for coming through. It was nice to meet you in person, sis. I just made it back home from thrifting with my youngest son, Tyson, and I want to show you all what I ended up getting from the local thrift store. Well, technically not local for me, but I did go to Sumter, South Carolina to grab these items. So let's go ahead and get into it. Well, I stopped by this and that thrift store, and I found this lovely pattern for $2.49. This Simplicity 4539. I thought this absolutely cute. Got a few little tank tops and shirts that I could make from here. Here's the line art. Once again, it's Simplicity $45.39. All right, besides finding that one pattern, I ended up going a little further down to Goodwill in Sumter, South Carolina. I found my husband a shirt and a pair of pants. My son found me a pair of pants and himself a pair. So let's go ahead and get into it. A little bit over $22 I spent, everyone. So up first is this beautiful PG, I think it's a PGA. What is it? It is a PGA Tour Pro Series shirt. Got this for my husband. It was only $4.95. Nice, breathable, something that he could wear to work since he had to return to office. This right here is a pair of pants that my son found for me. These are absolutely cute. Y'all can see this. Next up is a pair of pants that my son found for himself. Tell me how cute are these? This was only like $6.95. Hope y'all can see that. And the back is just plain. But the front has a lot of interest. So it's eye-catching, catches your eye, catches your attention. And last but not least, it is the pants that I found for my hubby. I love him in cargo pants, so I thought these would be nice. They're really lightweight, too, so he can wear this during the summer and don't have to worry about getting too hot. Hopefully they're breathable for him. That's the front, to give you an idea. And the back again. And all together for 3 pair of pants and a top, I ended up spending a total of like $23. I'm going to go ahead and round it up. But a total of $22.40 for this haul and only $2.49 at this and that thrift store. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video of seeing me meet my sewing sis Grace from Sew Lovely with Grace here on YouTube. Head on over to her channel and check out her content. While you're over there, go ahead and subscribe so that you do not miss any of her content. Because thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. My motto is keep trying until you get it right. Denise the Sloth Sewist. I hope that you all like this video. If you did, don't forget to leave your girl a thumbs up, like and share so others can get in on my content as well, and also so that YouTube will push my content out to others within the sewing and crafting community. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have an amazing day, night, weekend, whatever time you're watching my video. Your girl Denise the Sloth Sewist. We'll see you all in the next one. Bye.